Yo, 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 people, my people. The LA t-shirts are here. The LA t-shirts are here. The LA t-shirts are out now in different colors, in multiple colors. One size fits all. The Los Lucas Amakali photography t-shirts are here, guys. Here are the t-shirts, guys. You can order yourself, order, stock last, order. Even the caps are here. Black and white. You can order a cap. You can order a cap for $100. While the t-shirts are going for $200. Guys, support the artist, support the movement. It's all for you guys. One for all, one for all, one for all. Come guys, come support. Come support an artist. Come support the fellow men. Photography is a key. We are here to deal with your issues. Come through guys, come through. Come take photo shoots. So photo shoots, the studio is open. For 24 hours, guys. 24 hours, guys. 24 hours, guys. Come out, guys. We are waiting for you. Order a t-shirt and promote my business. Order a t-shirt or a cap. Order a cap and promote my business. This is how we do it. This is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. This is how it goes down. This is how it goes down. This is how it goes down, bruh. We are here. 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 We are here.